Got him with all the repenting, stop sinning before it's too many. Look, before it's too much. Time to switch it up, got the game in clutch.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jotty. We are back with another vlog, and as you guys see, 77 degrees outside. It is crazy. I swear I've not worn shorts in I don't know how long, but it is beautiful out. I want to thank you guys for the support on my most recent vlogs. I've been, like I said, having a ton of fun. I'm not gonna keep repeating myself. I just been having fun doing this, and I'm glad you guys have been enjoying it. We got ourselves a package. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Oh, hell yeah, boy. You guys are probably thinking I'm crazy because I bought 2 pairs of the same pants, but these are literally my favorite pair of pants in the whole fucking world. You guys probably remember these from my other vlogs, but these pants are so freaking nice. Like, if you remember my other vlogs, I used to wear these pants all the time. Look at these joints. These are the same exact pair of pants. These are just my old pair. In case you're wondering, they're on Zumi's website. They're called 9th Hall Decoy Motto Light Age Destructed Jeans. I don't know. I just like them a lot, and I've had 4 pairs of them, so. Are you ready? We're about to camp in a tent. Wait, where is it?
In the morning room. Wrong.
Oh, wait, how are we setting it up?
He's got to fix something.
Oh.
After you.
Oh, wasn't it in my thing? Didn't I have one? Do you have
This is a Tricky Beat production.
That shit is dope. It's literally like 8 o'clock at night. I've hardly vlogged today, but we set up these tents outside. So we have this big ass one. It's literally like a two room tent. You could put a wall up in here if you wanted. So it's 2 rooms. And then I also set up my own tent, which is like a single man tent for 1 person. Bro, this shit is tough. It's like a little cave, bro. I'm literally in a cave. Yeah, so there was really no point to this. I don't know why we did this. It was just fun, you know? Like, why not set up tents? Because fuck it, bro. Who does not camp in their own backyard? Honestly, I think mine's way better than the other one. It's like a single man tent, bro. That's where we're sleeping tonight. And look at my lights from my room. Those are the lights for my room. But we got this thing in here, and it's literally 4 outlets. So we could literally hook up a TV in this bitch, like. Yeah, I was just trying to wonder if you're coming out.
Are you outside?
Yeah.
You and Dad outside?
We've been out.
You have?
Where are you?
You didn't tell me that.
Come out, and we got headlamps.
Oh my god, okay. Is it hot?
What, is what hot?
Outside.
Yeah, like you don't want a sweatshirt or nothing. We got you a headlamp too. These things are dope.
Do we have games out there or anything?
No, we're gonna go get some. Once upon a time, there was a guy named Mark that came upon a tent in a backyard, snuck in, and slit their throats. The neighbors are probably like, what the fuck? How are these people doing? But yeah, have you been at my tent? Mine's dope. Like, it's like a cave. No, go in it. You have to. It's so cool.
I'm never coming back.
Never coming back. Huh?
What?
You say you want to smoke?
Mark.
I swear that's what you
I
said.
would never see that.
What'd you say? But yeah, we could, just not in the tent.
Why?
Because you can't ash in the tent.
On the bottom?
No, right. This tent is where it's at.
You said, are there bugs in here?
No, there's not bugs.
How do you know?
Because I just been in there. Is there a bug?
No.
Oh, you
Just got excited.
Yeah. Imagine someone walking by on you and you're just making like. The neighbors would be like, "What the hell?" Oh, here's Jetta. Jetta. Oh, that light's probably too bright.
Oh my god, there's a little window.
No, honestly, I
Dude,
like.
we should film a horror movie.
Right, yo, that's what we should do. We should literally film
Hello?
a horror movie.
Is somebody out there?
I honestly think my tent's
Hello?
way better. This tent is cool, but mine's way better.
Don't do
Now, only if we had a fire pit. We literally got Dad a fire pit for his birthday and he returned it. That is crazy. Oh, we have a, yo, we should order pizza and be like 2 tents in the backyard. How can you tell scary stories without popcorn?
What?
You can't tell scary stories without popcorn.
I don't know, Mark. How can you?
That's a good question.
I don't know how you tell stories without popcorn.
You make some popcorn with your ear pop.
Yeah, okay. How?
What do you mean? It's not rocket science.
That
I'll
sounds
show
like
you.
it. You'll show me?
Yeah. You want it now?
Yeah.
Alright, so get out the popper out of your garage.
Popper out of the garage. Getting Popper out of the garage. Shit. That wasn't supposed to happen.
So, go out with butter. I usually melt this at like 30% power so it doesn't blow up.
The mic. Okay.
So 4 ounces, half a cup.
That makes a whole bowl.
It makes a lot. It makes what I usually make. Then you mix it up, get the butter swirl around a little bit. Put a bunch of salt on it, not too much. But
This is like Rachel Ray.
yeah.
No, if it's gonna hotbox. I don't think it will.
I mean, what are you gonna ash it in?
That's what I said.
Your sandal, because you can just wipe it off.
You ready to lose? Oh, oh my god. Bruh. Bruh, this deck.
So we're doing a different thing where we switch our cards now. Today.
Okay. Green? No, this is so unfair, bro. Word. Alright. You know, I'm feeling red.
Uno.
No, wipe that
Your turn.
smile right off. Blue.
Okay.
Oh no.
Bad. Oh, it's a wild card. Shuffle.
Ha. How bright is this? Oh, you brought a
What was
lime?
that, bro? Your shoes.
Dude, what is this, bro?
Simple rule.
Wait, he brought limes out?
And take off your shoes. What?
He brought limes out?
Of course he did. We're not fucking around. Bro.
Did he bring
oh my
a
god,
bottle?
your feet smell. Oh my god. Oh, wait.
Did he bring a bottle opener?
Your teeth?
You always be on some extra shit.
Me? You think so?
Oh wait, we're supposed to play Uno.
Wait, I'm 2 extra.
We didn't play Uno.
Oh shit.
Shut up. Who are you talking to? No, for real. Who
No
are you
way.
talking to?
It's a dog outside.